Hello everyone. Welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, August the 31st, 2020. Happy Monday, yes. And this will be a number 1, 4, 3, 8. And this 4-star Sudoku, previous one has 25 printed numbers, printed digits. The 4-star Sudoku has 24. And let me check if this is correct. 24. We have here 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 4 is 12. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. This will be 18. 19 plus 5 is equal to 24. Correct. Alright. And I hope I will solve this 4-star Sudokus within 30 minutes. If it will be more than 30 minutes, then it's definitely a 4-star Sudoku. But let me see if this is easy. Alright, so let's get started. I see here in this column 4 missing numbers. Those numbers are, 2 of those numbers are the 6 and the 9. The 6 and the 9 in this column cannot be filled in these 2 boxes because we have in this big square the 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9, so no 6 and the 9 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 goes there, and the 9 goes here. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 2 and the 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And now, how about 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There, 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 7, here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. How about the 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row? So in the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. And then 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. How about the 4 in this column? 4 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1, 2, the 3 and the 5 are missing, 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5 in the middle row. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And the 5 goes there in the middle row. One box left in this big square for the number 5. Then, yes. 5 in this column. Wait. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So we have a 5 in the first row, a 5 in one of these two boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And then, how about the 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only two places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. Together with the 4. We see here 4 in this row. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes as a pair, 9 and the 4. Let me mark them for you, 9 and the 4. So we have a 9 in this column, a 9 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only two places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then these these 2 numbers in the first column. The missing numbers are the 1 and the 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. How about these 2 numbers in this column? The second column, the 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. 2 and a 3. How about 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Yeah, in this big square. 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are in this big square. The 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 are missing. 1, 2, 3. We see here 2 and a 3. No 2 and a 3 in that box. 1 digit left should be the 1. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's up here. Alright. This row, 2 numbers left. In this row, those numbers are the 6 and the 8. It's up here. 6 and the 8. Let me mark them. How about 2, 3, 6? No. 3. 3, 3, 3. 6. We have a pair. In this big square. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. We have an 8 and a 6 here in this row. In the second row. So no 8 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8. We have a pair here also. Okay. So these 3 numbers are the numbers 2, the 4, and the 5. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Cannot Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait 2, 4, 5. We have a 4 here. That means this cannot be a 4 anymore. We have a 4 in this row. So this should be a 9. And this should be a 4. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 9. Here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2. Yeah. 2. We have 3, 1, 2, 3, 8. Yeah. 2, 4, and 5. 2, 4, 5. That means these two numbers should be 2, 4, 5. 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. Up here, 1 and the 3 are missing. And how about those two numbers? We have 1 and a 3. Those two should be the 8 and the 2. 8 and a 2. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 6 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. It's a pair. I cannot fill this yet. We have a 2 and a 3 here also. We have an 8 now, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3. How about the 6 in this column, 6 in that column? So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can... 6. I can see. We have a 6 there. Alright, so this should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 3. Then 2 numbers left in this row, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark them, 2 and the 4. How about these 2 numbers, the 1 and the 3? We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have a 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4. Yes, these 2 numbers in this column, the 2 and the 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. Now we have a 2 there, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 2. We have a 2 now, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark them. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be the 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be the 4. And the final two numbers of this big square, the 4 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there and the 4 goes there. Finishing 15 minutes. Wow, quicker than the previous Sudoku. I like this one. But I don't think this is a 4-star Sudoku. It should be a 2 or a 3-star Sudoku. Anyway, if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon with the 5th puzzle. In a minute, a binary, and the last one, a tectonic one. So, see you soon. Bye-bye for now.